What's up? What's up, YouTube? Glorious Adobe here. I know it's been a long time since I've been making any shoe unboxing videos on feet, but today I'll be doing the Air Jordan 12 Nylons unboxing on feet. I know it's been a long time, but haven't really copped anything since as of late, and I've been working a lot. Anyways, here it is, guys. I got this on the sneakers app. Air Jordan 12 Nylons. I woke up like 7 o'clock in the morning, got my notification and added to cart, and then I realized that I went to the mall the day after and it was sitting there, on the store shelves. So maybe if I want to cop another one, keep this one, for safety, for another day, or just keep this one because let's see how durable this is. But anyways, this is the Air Jordan 12 Nylons. I got it a 3-day select from Nike as usual. But this was released September 10th, and I got it a week after, so September 16th on a Friday afternoon. If I waited 1 week, but anyways, I got this because I really like the colorway, and it reminds me of the Playoff 12s. But of course, the Playoff 12s are way better. There's more white on the leather overlays. This one has a black leather overlay. So when you open the box, it's kind of different. It's like a retro Jordan box with Nike combined. Nike usually has those cardboard orange boxes. This is like the OG Jordan box. This is the front of the box with a black Jumpman, and on the back side, all black, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And if you recognize that quote, that's in the back of the pull tab on the 12s. Here's the left side of the box, red on the side with a black Jumpman sign, black box. Front of the box, Jordan. It usually says Nike or Just Do It, black. And here you have your sizing, 8.5. I heard they were a size big, or if you want to go true to size, go half size down. But I've always gone true to size on Jordans, on J's. It says right there, 8.5. Air Jordan 12 Retros. There, black, gym red, white. It's pretty cool. It goes. The retail for $190 plus tax. That's about $205 with everything. The 3-day shipping. It's pretty cool now. It's like a gold Jumpman with a Jordan.com on there. Nice touch. The bottom, of course, has the Nike symbols, Air Jordan, or Nike Air, associated with Jumpman. Open this up like this, and usually you have the 23 or whatever on it, but it's just your regular tissue paper. You unfold it. There it is, guys. The Air Jordan 12 Nylons. Boom, baby. That's a pretty nice shoe. I mean, when I was watching Nightwing's video unboxing and review, he said this was light, and I have to agree. When I first picked this up, usually the 12s are so heavy. Before you even break it in, it's like so heavy, but now just carrying it right now, it's like so light. So I might have to cop another pair for safekeeping, or for to wear every day. But this is Pretty cool. It seems so light than usual 12s. I had the Obsidians, but I sold it, and those were my favorite too. Wish they would re-release again. But anyways, this is the Air Jordan 12 nylons, as they would call it, or vinyl, or other people call it the waterproof nylons. So the upper is all nylon. Stitching is pretty nice, and it's like a black. Usually there should be like a metal or metal eyelets on there, but it's just stitched on there with regular threading, black, right there. Usually, like, if it was a premium product, it would be like those, metal rings or black. At least make it like black rings or whatever, or black metal eyelets. Anyways, this is the lateral side of the shoe. Upper nylon, and then the premium leather overlay. It's kind of a different texture, smoother actually, and there's more of like a shine on it, I guess, to make that water effect. And of course your black Nylon midsole right here goes around the shoe, right there too, Nylon midsole, black. And then your white rubber outsole with some herringbone patterns on the sole. And of course your carbon shank plate in the midfoot. So again, this is the Air Jordan 12 nylons, retailing for $190. This is the lateral side of the shoe, and it's usually metal, but I think it's like actually plastic. It's a black plastic eye stay. Usually it's metal, like the stainless steel, but it's actual like just plastic for the eye stay, and black. This is the lateral side of the shoe. Front of the shoe. Looks pretty nice. The medial side of the shoe. Same thing, nylon upper with a black plastic eye stay, and the eyelets are like stitched on there. Pretty nice stitching, for the nylon. And then your premium smooth leather overlays here. Then your white rubber outsole with the black Nylon midsole right here. This is the medial side of the shoe. This is the back of the shoe, or the heel. Now, I think I was saying earlier, this is quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And usually it's like a leather, but this is almost like a synthetic leather, or like a nubuck kind of thing. Almost reminds me of a 3M material, but it's actually just smooth leather, and it's just embossed on there instead of stitched on usually. The Jordan branding and the Jumpman symbol right there. Jumpman, quality inspired by the greatest player ever, Jordan. And the black 23 on the heel. And on the bottom of the shoe, got your Jumpman on the toe box with a 23 red there for some accent color. Give it some pop. Your herringbone pattern for traction and stability on the forefoot and the heel. And then the midfoot, you have your carbon shank plate as usual with a black and gray. Pretty cool material. Then your ridges for the traction. And again, this is inspired by the design, for the sun, Japanese flag. And that's why they're calling it Air Jordan 12 Nylons, because of his sweatsuits when he's, he used to wear it in 1997. When Jordan was known for, wearing his sweatsuits, so that's probably why it's inspired. But I'll let you guys know later on. I'm going to try this out and maybe sprinkle some water on it to see if it's really truly waterproof nylon. Again, this is the medial side of the shoe. Nylon upper with a smooth premium leather on the overlay. And it's kind of like every other black, dark, light, matte finish to give it that kind of wet look. Almost like those, like stones on the when you're stepping outside when it just rained or whatever. So it looks like it was like wet stones on there. See that? There's some shine on there. So this is the medial side of the shoe with your black Nylon midsole, your white rubber outsole. That's the medial side of the shoe with black plastic eye stays, 2 of them. That's the medial side of the shoe. The back of the shoe or the heel with a premium leather, smooth leather wrapping around your ankle for stability. Stitching is on the side, but the Jordan in quality inspired by the greatest player ever, and the Jumpman sign are embossed. Usually they're stitched, but they're just embossed here. So this is the back of the shoe. Black 23, white rubber outsole on the heel. Your black Nylon midsoles on each side here. Smooth leather, almost like a synthetic leather. Kind of like that 3M material, but it's not. Nylon upper. This is the lateral side of the shoe. Of course, your nylon upper. Your smooth leather overlay. Black Nylon midsole right here. And then your white rubber outsole with the ridges on there for the traction. Black Nylon midsole, the pull tab, smooth leather pull tab. Again with your black plastic eye stays, 2 of them, with the Jumpman symbol on there. See that? 2 of them. And of course your thin rope laces, as usual with the 12s. And then on the eye stays here, or eyelets, they're just stitched on there. Usually there's like a metallic thing on there, metallic ring, but it's just stitched on there, like really well. You guys can see there, stitching is pretty decent. Let's see how durable they go. I wear these a lot. So this is the lateral side of the shoe, front of the shoe, with your nylon upper with the thin rope laces, black, the red Jumpman sign with the 2-3 stitching underneath, and you can see it's pretty decent stitching. It's not like all, half-assed, sorry for the language, but yeah, it's pretty good stitching. So that's the front of the shoe with your leather overlay, black Nylon midsole, and then your white rubber outsole with a Jumpman, black Jumpman symbol on the toe box. And this is the top view. Looks pretty cool. Your red Jumpman sign just popping out there. And you know, these do remind me of the playoffs 12, but usually the playoff 12s have the leather, instead of the black leather overlay, it's white. On this side too, it's usually white, but it's black. But this is really nice. It's pretty light actually, because when I usually hold it in my hand, the regular 12s, the retros, it's like super heavy, and when I first put my feet on it, it's like you're carrying bricks on your feet. But this seems pretty light. Again, here is the Air Jordan 12 nylons, as they call it. Supposedly it's a waterproof nylon. Here's your lateral side of the shoe. Guys, go. Front side of the shoe, front view. Top view. Medial side of the shoe. The outsole, the bottom of the shoe. There. Last but not least, the back of the heel of the shoe. The 23. And the pull tab were there with the Jumpman. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Embossed instead of stitched. Again, thank you guys for watching this unboxing. Make sure to watch part 2 of this video of the On Feet, and God bless. What's up guys? Glorious Adobe here again. This is part 2 of my unboxing and On Feet video of the Air Jordan 12 nylons. This is the front of the shoe. And like I said earlier, when I was like picking up in my hand, it was extremely lighter than usual of like, you know, regular Air Jordan 12 retros, but these are so light. Like, I'm just picking up my feet and it's super light. Like, usually I can feel the heaviness of the 12s, like feeling like bricks, but these are so comfortable right now and so clean. Like the colorway, I mean, they should have came out with this colorway a long time ago, and I guess these should have been the playoff 12s, but to each his own, you know. But I really like these shoes. When I first saw them on the Nike website, I'm like, oh, okay, gotta get them. And trust me, they are well worth it. Although the price tag is $190, but they are well worth it. This is the front of the shoe. Front view. You're wearing shorts. Front view. This is the lateral side of the shoe. Lateral side. Pretty comfortable, just bouncing up and down. And this is also like the regular, you know, Air Jordan 12 retros, a full-length air sole unit. So I could actually feel it when I'm like bouncing it around, all the air transferring from one end to the other. This is the lateral side of the shoe. And the medial side of the shoe. There. Medial side. That's what it would look like if you were in shorts with these. Again, these are really light. I don't know how many times I've said that, but these are really light. So this is the medial side of the shoe. Your nylon upper and black leather overlay with black nylon midsole, white rubber outsole, medial side on the others, on the right foot, left foot, medial side again, right, and the back of the shoe, the heel, heel view, back side of the shoe, and of course bottom view, outsole view. Pretty nice. That's the left foot, right foot. Sorry guys for the lighting. It's the right foot. Again, from the beginning, front view of the shoe, left and right foot, lateral side of the shoe, left foot, lateral side of the shoe, right foot, medial side of the shoe, right foot. Let's go. Medial side of the left foot. And then top view of the shoe. Pretty much self-explanatory. Left foot, top view. Right foot, top view. Again, guys, sorry for the lighting. Thank you guys for watching my shoe unboxing and on-feet video of the Air Jordan 12 Nylons. Please subscribe, like, comment, and God bless. Thank you.